Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your admin roles on your Facebook fan pages. Alright, so I'm here in our Facebook fan page, and when you are on your Facebook fan page, you want to head over to the top right area that says Settings. From here, on the left-hand side, you want to click on Page Roles. From here, you're going to see how to add people as an admin or different kinds of roles for your page. So I'll show you what I mean here. So there's me, that's AURET, my business partner, and you can see here we have another person who is an editor. So when you are ready to add someone new, you want to head over here and you want to type in their name or email. So let me just type in here. Let's pretend I want to add my sister, then I would put her here, and you can choose her role that you want her to be. So if I want her to be an editor, and in this light gray text here, it's going to let you know what that editor can do. So it's going to let you know each role and what they can do. So this is what an editor does, an admin, moderator. So depending on the job that you're going to be assigning to people, you can choose the role that you want. If you have someone who's an advertiser, an analyst, a live contributor. Once you've chosen the role for that person, let's just say it's admin, and then you click Add. So let's just X out of that because I don't want to actually add her. Now I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom here. Let's say you want to remove someone. So let's say we want to remove her. You want to click on Edit, scroll down here, and then you want to click on Remove. So I'm going to click Remove, and it's going to say, are you sure you want to remove? You click Confirm, enter your password, click Submit, and then there you go, you've removed that person. So that is how you add an admin or change someone's role or remove someone on your Facebook fan page. So if I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.